You know, I should be panicking, but this seems to be a tradition in our household. Hey, buddy. I think you've been inspired. Hold on. Oh, yes. Well, he's got the right association. He knows what goes where, just not quite how to do it yet. With my firstborn, he used to grab the rubber duckies and throw them in here. This one, just play splishy splashy. Oh well, I hope I've done my job freaking out all the Beda. Beda. Ya terminaste. Te puedo limpiar. Sí. Ahí viene, ahí viene. Ahí viene, ahí viene, ahí viene. Yeah, go ahead, touch mommy. Can't beat Anna. Anna grabbed porta potty yesterday to my freaking horror. Bye bye, baby.